Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Yeah, this is a 2500 Ram pickup truck. We end up installing the shock sensor add-on on this 2019 2500. And basically, this truck, the only way the factory alarm goes off if you open a door. So nobody's gonna do that. They're gonna break the window and jump in. In fact, a lot of times some homeowners have shown me videos on Ring that they have caught the guy inside with his legs popping out the window, and they never open the door because they know that the factory alarm is going to go off. So we end up installing the glass shatter sensor right to the factory alarm, so he doesn't have to carry another remote or nothing like that. So if I walk up and I try to bust out the window with a center hole puncher, that will fire off the alarm. The alarm will ring approximately for 3.5 minutes, and then it'll reset itself. So let's say you're away on vacation and you have like a thunder or something happen that fired off the alarm. You don't have to worry too much about that. It will ring for 3.5 minutes and it'll reset itself. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in this 2019 2500 Ram by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we went ahead and also protected the tailgate with a pin switch, so if somebody opens up that tailgate, it will fire off the alarm, because that's another little thing that they're stealing like crazy, those tailgates on pickup trucks, on Silverados, F-250, F-350, Rams, any Tacoma, pretty much a lot of these trucks that have tailgates. Thank you for watching this video.